Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about how to predict poverty from a horoscope. First, exchange of ascendant lord and 12th lord and position or aspect of 2nd or 7th lord in ascendant. Suppose a Aries Lagna. So Mars is the ascendant lord of Aries Lagna and 12th lord is Jupiter. So Jupiter is in 1st house and Mars is in your 12th house, and 2nd lord Venus is in your 1st house with Jupiter. Then this yoga will form. Exchange of ascendant lord and 6th lord and position or aspect of 2nd or 7th lord in ascendant. For Aries Lagna, ascendant lord is Mars and 6th lord is Mercury. So Mercury is in ascendant and Mars is in your 6th house, and your 2nd lord is Venus. Venus is in your 1st house with Mercury. Ascendant lord or moon with Ketu and ascendant lord is in 8th house. Suppose for Aries Lagna, ascendant lord is Mars. Mars is in your 8th house with Ketu, or Mars is in your 8th house and moon is in your 10th house with Ketu. Here position of moon with Ketu is not important. It can be anywhere. Ascendant lord along with a malefic is in the 6th or 8th or 12th house, and 2nd lord is either debilited or in enemy sign. So for Aries Lagna, ascendant on Mars suppose is in 6th house with Saturn, and 2nd lord Venus is in your 12th house. Then this yoga will form. Ascendant lord is in conjunct with 6th or 8th or 12th lord or Saturn and not have benefic aspect. Suppose for Aries Lagna, Mars is your ascendant lord and 6th lord is Mercury. Mars is in your 6th house with Mercury and not have any benefic aspect, means moon or Jupiter or Venus aspect. Fifth lord in 6th, 9th lord in 12th and receive the aspect of 2nd or 7th lord. Suppose for Pisces Lagna, your 5th lord is moon. So moon is in 6th that means Sun's house, and your 9th lord is Mars, which is in 12th, that means Saturn's house. And your 2nd lord, which is Mars, already in 12th house and aspecting to the 6th house. And your 7th lord, suppose Mercury, posited in the 6th house, which is aspecting to the 12th house. Malefic, except 9th and 10th lord, posited in ascendant and in conjunction with or aspected by 2nd or 7th lord. So, Malefic except 9th and 10th lord. Suppose for Aries Lagna, 5th house Sun is Malefic. Sun is in your 1st house and your 2nd lord Venus is in 1st house. Then this yoga will form. Dispositor of 6th, 8th and 12th lord, posited in 6th, 8th and 12th house and in conjunction with or aspected by Malefic. Suppose for Aries Lagna, 6th lord Mercury posited in 4th house, which is the house of moon. So, dispositor of Mercury is moon and moon posited in 8th house and aspected by Saturn. Navamsa dispositor of moon posited in 2nd or 7th house or in conjunction with 2nd or 7th house. Suppose in Aries Lagna, moon posited in 4th house or in his own house. But in Navamsa, moon posited in Mars house, say. And in Rashi chart, Mars posited in your 2nd house. Then this yoga will form. Ascendant Lord and Navamsa Ascendant Lord are in conjunction and in conjunction with or aspected by 2nd or 7th Lord. For Aries Lagna, suppose your Ascendant Lord is Mars and Navamsa Lord is Venus. Both Mars and Venus are in conjunction with your 7th Lord, say, which is also in Venus. So, for Aries Lagna, if Mars and Venus conjunct, if your Navamsa Ascendant Lord is Venus, then this yoga will form. Malefics in auspicious house and benefics in inauspicious house. That means in a Rashi chart, auspicious house are Kendra and Trikona. So all the malefics, if posited in auspicious house, means all the malefics is posited in either in Kendra or Trikona houses. And benefics, that means Moon, Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, if posited in, suppose in 3rd house, means 3rd, 6th, 8th or 12th house, then this yoga will form. A planet who is in conjunction with 6th, 8th or 12th lord and is devoid of aspect of 9th or 5th lord. Suppose Sun is in conjunction with the 6th lord Mercury, and this conjunction has no aspect of 9th lord, means Jupiter. So, for this person, Sun's Dosha will make him penniless. Eighth or 12th from Atma Karaka or from the ascendant and be aspected by Atma Karaka, Navamsa lord and ascendant lord. Atma Karaka means a planet who has the highest degree in your Rashi chart. Suppose in a Rashi chart, Venus is the highest degree. So, Venus is the Atma Karaka here, which is posited in 4th house. So, 8th from 4th house is 11th house. And in this chart, dispositor of Venus is suppose a Mars, and Mars is also posited in 4th house. From 4th, it is aspecting the 11th house. Twelfth house is aspected by ascendant lord, or 12th from Atma Karaka is aspected by Atma Karaka dispositor. For Aries Lagna, suppose Mars is posited in 6th house. From 6th, it is aspecting the 12th house. Some general rules. If Saturn and Mars conjoins in the 2nd house, that means whoever is Saturn or Mars is, if those are conjoined in the 2nd house, then Daridra Yoga will form. If Sun in the 2nd house and aspected by Saturn, or Saturn in the 2nd house and aspected by Sun, then Daridra Yoga will form. So, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.